Hey 5th grade, this is Mrs. Boyer. Today is Monday, May 4th, and I would like to show you what you are going to do for math today and tomorrow. I will also send you a video tomorrow just in case you forget. The first thing I'd like for you to do is sign on to vocabulary, and then you will see your assignment for today called Types of Triangles. I would like for you to go do the video, the vocabulary cards, and the vocabulary game. Just these three today. All right, and then tomorrow we will do the other three. So today, after you are finished with the vocabulary game, you may log off. If you have not signed up for vocabulary yet, there are instructions on our math feed, and I've also tagged you and sent you emails about signing up. So if you have not signed up and you're still having problems, you can email me, you can put a note on your feed, or you can call me. If you do not have my number, then you can talk to one of your homeroom teachers and they will give it to you. Thank you. You guys have a great day and do your best.